Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. I've been trying to set my history so that I have more than just 1,000. I want to set it to 5,000 or 10,000 or something like that. Unlimited, I don't know what it is. But I do know that I need to get into my my bash RC, I think. So I'm going to do that, 997. I'm going to launch gedit. Yes, all of you Linux gurus out there, you can laugh at me. I don't care. User-specific aliases and functions, global functions. I'm going to just put it right here. I'm going to put export history size. Ooh, that was weird. Let's try it again. Export history size to 50,000. I'm going to save that, close it, and now when I run the env command, I should have my history set to 50,000. And so, no, it didn't work. There's history size. Don't know what to do.